So one more case is there if you want to go for that. So we do have option of using stats model. So import stats models dot API as ms. Say let me take x, because we are working on single column, then we have to add constants also. Constant, I say x. So in that case my y is df OTD. That's it. So ms dot logit is my class region. So y versus x, I'm fitting it, I'm holding it MD, and you can see summary. Again, constant and values are there. Even if you use this case for your function case, then you will be getting similar output. So let me take one prediction more. Prediction 1 column. Say I'll say it would be based on MD dot predict, and I'm using x which I taken as input. So we see I'm getting this what probabilities. Now on the basis of threshold you can verify the values which you are working on the equation part, because I'm getting probability on you can work on this probability part. If I'm getting value more than 0.5, this would be 1, otherwise that should be considered as a 0. So if you want, you can make a function. So let me make one function to make this threshold. Say get LG value. I'll say x would be there. I say if my x np dot round x on 1 decimal, if it is equal to or greater than 1.5, I should get 1, else I should get 0. So let me work on this. I'll name it LG predict column. So in LG predict we can go for, I'll take a column as an input, prediction 1. On this I want to call my get LG value to get the threshold bifurcations. See, so we are more or less same. We accept few cases. We say this is my logistic regression output. This is my manual logistic regression based slope and intercept options. This is my logit class object. In logit class we are having two variations. Here we are having one. Here is showing me, because the slope is this probability is getting some different values. So more or less there would be fractions of change. It's on you which algorithm you want to go for. In industry we prefer we should go for Scikit-learn. Even if you are going for manual calculation, you should go for Scikit-learn slope and intercept. That would be better choice for getting it done.